Bitcoin trades below $30,000, Ether stays above $1,800. Elon Musk rebrands Twitter to X, spurring scores of wannabe tokens. WorldCoin's newly launched WLD token spikes over 20% on major crypto exchanges. FTX's Bankman-Fried seeks gag order for all witnesses in criminal case. New York couple accused of laundering hacked Bitfinex crypto reaches plea deal. Hello and welcome to 3.0 I am Vishakha Thakur. Leading virtual digital assets traded lower over the last 24 hours as Bitcoin, which has managed to reclaim the $30,000 mark in the early hours but dropped significantly and traded around $29,000 levels. Ruchi Sharma joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrency was trading down by 2% at 38,700 points. According to data from BitInfoCharts, a Bitcoin wallet that had been inactive for more than 11 years has unexpectedly sprung to life, moving all of its roughly 1,037 Bitcoin, which was currently worth over $31 million. Following Ripple's partial victory before the Securities and Exchange Commission, the dominant cryptocurrency has continued to show signs of weakness. However, markets are also waiting for further information on the exchange-traded funds that BlackRock and other traditional financial giants have filed for. On the macroeconomic front, the Federal Reserve's meeting on July 25th and 26th are important events to keep an eye on. The FedWatch tool shows a 99.2% probability of a 25 basis point rate hike in the meeting. If that happens, the markets may not witness a knee-jerk reaction as the hike seems to have been priced in. However, any surprise move by the Fed could thrust the price out of the range. However, data from Sentiment revealed that the number of XRP whales wallets have witnessed a notable surge, with wallets holding almost 100 million XRP each, worth around at least $75 billion. Interestingly, Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, today unveiled the WorldCoin project. Soon after the announcement, major crypto exchanges including Binance, Bybit, Hobby, and OKX have listed the coin on their exchanges. As a result, WorldCoin price registered an increase of more than 60% soon after its listing. Meanwhile, X, a decentralized NFT marketplace operating across various blockchain networks, and its governance is facilitated by XDAO. Xcoin has skyrocketed by a whopping 1,600% in the last 24 hours. Going forward, the stablecoin sector continued its downward spiral in July, falling 0.82% to $127 billion, marking its 16th monthly decline to its lowest level since August 2021. The stablecoin market's dominance fell from 10.5% to 10.3%, reports highlighted. In recent news, Ethereum validators have deposited $52.3 billion into the ETH 2.0 contracts. This has been the highest value it has ever reached, according to an on-chain data provider into the block. US stock futures were trading mixed as investors awaited major policy decision from the Federal Reserve. Dow Jones Industrial Average futures were up 0.1%, S&P 500 futures and Nasdaq 100 futures rose 0.2% and 0.26% respectively. Bitcoin was trading at $29,258, down 2.2%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 1.2%, trading at $1,852. BNB was down by 1.3% to trade at $239. Solana SOL was down 3.5% and was trading at $23.7. Cardano's ADA token was down by 2.3% to trade at $0.30. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $13.1, lower 3.3%. Polygon Matic was trading down by 3.4% to trade at $0.72. Shiba Inu was trading down by 1.2%. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.69, down by 6.4%. Polkadot was down by 4.1% to trade at $5.2. However, the Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading up by 4% at $0.075.
Thank you, Ruchi, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. Several tokens branded X pepped up on decentralized exchanges overnight as Elon Musk-owned Twitter started dumping its iconic bluebird logo for an X symbol. Musk first tweeted about the forthcoming change over the weekend. Twitter CEO Linda Yacirona confirmed the rebranding on Sunday. Scores of X tokens have now appeared on multiple blockchain networks. These included new tokens claiming to have a proper roadmap for the coming months, as well as tokens that are seemingly pump and dump schemes. One of them jumped as much as 1,200% over the 24 hours, even though its project shuttered in May, suggesting low-cap traders were buying just about anything branded X in an effort to eke out a tiny profit. Newer tokens were issued by opportunistic developers over the weekend following Musk's tweet. One called AIX and with a logo identical to Musk's space technology company SpaceX jumped tenfold. Another named Deus X after a Musk tweet spiked 2,600%. Crypto exchanges Binance, Ubuy, Bybit and OKX have listed WorldCoin's WLD token, which went live on Monday. The WLD token was up over 20% at $2 according to data from CoinGecko. WorldCoin is the much-hyped crypto project of ChatGPT co-founder Sam Altman. Ubuy and Bybit have already listed the token and both deposits and trading are available. Bybit will make withdrawals available on Tuesday at 10 a.m. UTC, as will OKX. Ubuy users can trade spot WLD or USDT, whereas Bybit has also made WLD or USDC available. Binance will list WorldCoin and tentatively set to open trading for the spot trading pairs for WLD and Bitcoin, as well as USDT at 9 a.m. UTC on Monday, according to a blog post. Binance will allow withdrawals starting Tuesday at 9 a.m. UTC. OKX enable deposits at 7 a.m. UTC on Monday and will list WLD or USDT once token deposit meets requirements, it said in a press release. Former FTX CEO Sam Bankman-Fried has agreed to a gag order preventing him from making comments to third parties that may interfere with his trial, but argues other potential witnesses should be gagged as well, including current FTX CEO John Ray. The gag order against Sam Bankman-Fried was initially requested on July 20 when the US government accused the FTX founder of attempting to interfere with a fair trial by publicly discrediting former business partner and witness Caroline Ellison in an interview with the New York Times. In a July 22 letter to United States District Court Judge Louis A. Kaplan of New York, Bankman-Fried's lawyers firm Cohen and Gresser LLP denied the accusations but agreed to accept a gag order as requested. However, in accepting the relief, Bankman-Fried's lawyers also want the same gag order to be applied to all parties and witnesses that could be involved in his criminal trial. A New York couple accused of laundering $4.5 billion of crypto related to the 2016 hacking of Bitfinex exchange have entered into a plea agreement with federal prosecutors, according to court documents. Ilya Lichtenstein and Heather Morgan are set to attend a plea hearing early next month. Federal prosecutors allege the couple conspired with other known and unknown to the grand jury, according to the court documents. Morgan, known by her rapper name Russell Khan, was arrested with Liechtenstein last year and charged with conspiracy to commit money laundering and conspiracy to defraud the US. A district court judge had previously signed a protective order in the case, indicating it would involve classified national security information that can only be accessed by people with security clearance. And now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update on the buzzing stocks of the day.
First on the list, we have a Shiba Inu tokens from large holders. Wallets accelerated rapidly in the 24 hours of Saturday from 268 million to 2.47 trillion SHIB. The reason for the abrupt change is unclear, given that Shiba Inu tokens price did not exhibit any unusual dynamics during the same period, according to on-chain data. Despite this whale activity, Shiba Inu was trading down near 0.40% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $4.59 billion. At the same time, some of the outflowing tokens were offset by inflows, albeit in smaller amounts. the majority of the Shiba Inu token supply, 636.42 trillion SHIB, is held in whale wallets, many of which are hot wallets of large centralized exchanges. This tenacity in the face of large hold outflow suggests that possibility of coordinated efforts by centralized entities as tokens were shuffled between wallets in an orchestrated manner. Moving on, proof-of-stake blockchain Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson provides an interesting update on the network's roll-up implementation. Cardano's founder mentioned roll-ups or a roll-up strategy in 2 YouTube videos this year and was asked which project he was specifically referring to. Hoskinson hinted at the release of ZK rollups on Cardano in an April Ask Me Anything session, saying that it is a beautiful plan, is in the works. ADA was trading at $0.31 with a market capitalization of $10 billion. Cardano's founder mentioned sidechain projects requiring rollups and stated that the implementation is proceeding at a breakneck pace. Input-Output Global introduced Midnight, a privacy blockchain using zero-knowledge cryptography and a mix of private and public computation. Midnight aims to secure sensitive personal and business data while remaining compliant, suitable for financial workflows, healthcare data, and supply chain operations. Moving on, Aave deployed its version 3 iteration on the Ethereum network on 27 January, and its unique address count has reached the 10,000 milestone in under 6 months. Aave was trading near $72 with a market capitalization of $1 billion. Since it launched on the chain, the version 3 deployment has attracted $2.24 billion in deposits and $756.93 million in loans, as per data from the lending protocol. As a result of the Aave's expanded usage post the version 3 launch, the value of assets locked within the decentralized finance platform has grown by 60%. As of 1st January, Aave's TVL was $3.82 billion and Saturday at $6.12 billion. Since version 3 went live on Ethereum, its TVL has climbed by over 300%. Moving on, most utilized stablecoin USDT announced issuing an additional 1 billion USDT tokens. USDT was trading at $1 up 0.01%, up in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $83 billion. Tether, a prominent stablecoin issuer, has issued 1 billion USDT tokens, raising concerns among the investors. The move is linked to liquidity demand and enables users to access digital assets. Tether plans to use the newly created USDT as inventory for upcoming issue requests and chain swaps. Despite the large-scale issuance, Tether maintains transparency through regular audits and token reserve updates. Last on the list, we have Hamsters. Hamsters is a one-of-a-kind gaming platform that combines the excitement of real-time gaming with the cash prospects provided by DeFi. The platform offers live-streamed hamster races, encouraging gamers from all around the world to wager on their favorite hamsters and compete against other players. According to DEX Screener data, DeFi gaming token Hamsters increased by 783% in the 24-hour period on the Uniswap version 2 decentralized exchange. Hams was trading at $0.89 with a market capitalization of $8.9 million. Crypto traders' attention and speculative interest has been drawn to the extraordinary price change, despite the fact that the fluffy rodent-related coin only had a market capitalization of $1 million yesterday. According to its developers, it has experienced over $15.3 million in trading volume in the last 24 hours, according to CoinGecko.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.